Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Huawei will officially introduce its highly anticipated Mate X-T to the global market. As the world's first and only commercially available triple foldable smartphone, the device has already gained significant acclaim in China for its groundbreaking design and engineering. However, Huawei's exclusivity in the triple foldable segment may be short-lived. Samsung is reportedly preparing to enter the market with its triple foldable smartphone, rumored to be named the Samsung Galaxy G Fold. Industry insiders suggest that this device is slated for launch in the third quarter of this year, positioning it as a direct competitor to Huawei's Mate X-T. According to Ross Young, a display supply chain analyst at DSCC, Samsung's upcoming triple foldable phone will feature a 6.49-inch cover display, closely resembling the size of the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition's external screen. This suggests that users can expect an enhanced, wider visual experience even when the device is folded. Leaked reports suggest that Samsung's trifold smartphone will unfold to a massive 10-inch display, offering tablet-like functionality in a portable form factor. The Galaxy G Fold branding signals its flagship status, integrating premium design and advanced technology. A distinctive element of Samsung's design is its new hinge mechanism, which reportedly produces a unique sound upon opening and closing, emphasizing its high-end build quality. However, details on its water resistance remain unclear. In terms of charging, the device is expected to support 23W fast charging, with a potential peak of 25W, ensuring a competitive charging experience. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra becomes noticeably lighter. Samsung previously confirmed its work on a triple foldable smartphone during the Galaxy S25 launch event earlier this year. Alongside this development, the company hinted at other innovative devices, including the Galaxy S25 Edge, further reinforcing its commitment to cutting-edge technology. With Samsung's entry into the triple foldable market, competition in this emerging segment is set to intensify. As the industry moves toward more versatile and immersive foldable devices, both Huawei's Mate X-T and Samsung's Galaxy G Fold will play a crucial role in shaping the future of smartphone innovation. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.